Yes. Interview J.B. Straubel. Oh, that's so weird. I mean, that is not, that's a long shot, but it's not so long that I'd say it's impossible, because that'd be a huge, he's now moved on from Tesla and recycling batteries and etc. Well, here's the crazy thing. I know someone that is very close to him, that are like friends, so not totally impossible. I say that's kind of likely. I think if I wanted to and I would pursue it, I probably could. I have so many questions for that. Well, do I? I would have some questions. Mainly, why the 18650? I have a bunch of reasons why I think they did it, but I would totally love to hear it from himself. Directly from the mouth, the horse's mouth or whatever.